Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today it's just an unboxing of Birchbox. So Birchbox is about £13 a month, and in this box we have the Deuce lip stain. We had a choice, and so yeah, I didn't choose, I just let it, just because I wanted to see what we're going to get. So I really wasn't bothered about the colour. It was either going to be streaming red or amber rose, and either of them I quite like. Sorry, I'm just having some fringe troubles, trying to sort my fringe out. Hair troubles, that's what it is. It's hair troubles. Right, so we're just going to get into this box right now. And open it up. Oh wow, it's pretty colour this month, isn't it? I do like that colour. It's palm trees. So there we go. Oh, it feels quite heavy. So there we go. There is the May Birchbox. Wow, so it's full of goodies. I do like the draw design as well. So there we go. Stay there. Right, you see them? Right, so we're just going to pull out this one. What is it? This is a paraben aluminium free. What is this? This is the active charcoal deodorant balm. Oh, I'm so pleased I got one of these. I do like them. They're really nice, but I hope it's cruelty free. It doesn't say whether it is. Is it cruelty free? No, it just tells you how to use it. Rub a pea-sized amount between the fingers and apply. But we have had this before, so right. So and okay. So the next item is a bombshell blowout spray. So this is the black buckthorn berry. Protect, texturize, volumize, repair for all hair types. And it just goes on. It says use before blow drying to get extra texture and lift while providing a weightless layer of heat protection, safe for coloured and treated hair. Direction: spray into damp hair, sectioning before to root ends. Blow dry, can also be used on dry hair for a light hold. Okay, so we'll try some of that then. Right, I'm going to try it on this rebellious fringe. So for a light hold, and so I'm just going to actually put it there because it just has a very nice light scent. I don't know about the hold though. I hope it does have some sort of hold. Really a nice scent. It does have some sort of hold. It is holding it in place, sort of, in its own way. Right, so now we're going to move on to this. And this is the natural body wash. I hope that this is cruelty free. Yes, it is. We have the bunny, so it is cruelty free. So yep, still looking forward to that. I like cruelty free. If this light is bothering you, is that too dark? I don't know. I'm trying to get the perfect light. There we go, that might be better there. Not sure. Let me know in the comments, because I'm just trying a light. Because I want my videos to be a little bit more lighter. And yeah. Maybe if I put it over there, that's probably the best light that we're going to get. So yeah, so oh, this was the Beauty Shortest Awards in 2017. I'm sure we've had this before. Oh, it smells amazing. That is really nice. It's a relaxing geranium body wash. That is nice. So I like that. I didn't get that. I've just left that on my counter. I thought we got that in the Birchbox, but we didn't. Right, so this is the Smudge proof. We got one of these, and is it cruelty free? It doesn't say whether it is, but this is the Ico. What? We got a skinny eyeliner. Wow, I'm looking forward to that. So let's have a look at it. So as you'll see it, you can either have it, that looks a bit fat, can we have it skinny? See, the more pressure you put on, that's the fat one, fat eyeliner, and that's skinny. So the more pressure you put on, the fatter the eyeliner becomes. Right, so this is what we were going to know about last month. And what colour have I got? Oh, it looks like I've got the pink one. Oh no, I've got steaming red. Right, so here we go, and swatch it. It looks like pink to me, but it's actually coming out red on there. It looks so weird because it looks pink in there, but it's red. So we're gonna have to try. So I took it off my lipstick. I was using the Huda one, and yeah, so now I'm gonna try this one, see what it looks like. I look really silly with my lips like that, but I'm gonna see what this looks like. Right, okay, so it tastes like coconut. I can taste the coconut on it, but right, so I'm just going to have a quick look at this in my mirror. It's not looking actually red in the mirror, but it looks red on here, reddish. I just actually topping it up. I'm actually rubbish at putting lipstick on. Really rubbish. But let me know in the comments on what you think of that colour on me, because I don't know what I think of it. Right, so is it drying down? Is it kiss proof? I don't know. There's not actually much coming off, watch. Once it's on, it seems to stay put. So, I do like it, but I don't know whether I like the colour. It should have been maybe a bit more red. But never mind, it's what it is. I don't think I've got it on right, realistically. I'm just going to actually put it on right. Maybe that looks a bit better. Right, so this month's box, we got this. Then we're going to see how much these really are, because it does tell you. Right, so this is the Palm Leaves and Warm Breeze May 2018 box. There we go. And it says, hello Birchboxes, we're making May's arrival with look ahead to warmer times. Yes, we're dreaming of ditching the layers and slipping the sundresses and anticipation. We're here to help you breathe fresh life into your beauty routine with an energizing organic shower treatment and brightening lip stain in every Birchbox this month. Say aloha to the first signs of summer. Aloha, summer, come on, because I want you. I love the summer months. So yeah, we got this, which is £21 for this lip stain. And I got the streaming red one. It's actually, I think it's got more redder. I don't know, but it looks red. Right, so that was £21. This box is £13 a month, so I'm happy with that. We got £21 worth of products. This is £14.99. I don't think that is a full size. So I think that might be a travel sized or something like that. And then we got this is £8.99, £8.99. That looks to be like it's the full sized. I think that is. Oh right, so if it has a yellow stamp on it, it means it's a 4-star review on birchbox.co.uk. So this hasn't had the 4-star review. This has had the 4-star review, so somebody has given that 4 stars. And what else? This has had a 4-star review, so that has been, somebody has liked that. This has also had a 4-star review. I'm not giving you the prices, am I? This is actually £16. This is £7.99, and I think I like this month's Birchbox. I think they did really well. So it says, oh, psst, like what you tried, get 10% off your full products in this month's box as one of your Birchbox benefits. Plus, you've received 6 boxes, you'll get 15% VIP discount. So for every 6 boxes you buy, you'll get a discount. So that is pretty good. And if you don't want to know what is in next month's box, look away now, because this is going to be a sneak peek. So there we go, you'll see it. It is the Ella Eden Pick Your Full Size Compact Eyeshadow. Oh, I know which one I like. I like the Faith. We have Faith or Julia. I would not know which one to pick between them because I like them both. So I won't be actually picking one of them. So you'll have to watch my Birchbox unboxing next month to see which one I get. And it also says, share tag win an Elizabeth Scarlett bundle worth £250. All you have to do is take a picture of your May Birchbox and beauty treats shared on Instagram and tag us at Birchbox UK, or use the hashtags Birchbox UK or Birchbox hashtag Birchbox Ireland in your caption, depending on where you are. So one lucky winner will win that. I love it. Sorry, this light is like really annoying in here today. Right, so if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!